So I'll be telling you the few stocks which are best for intraday trading, okay, which are most volatile stocks. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. Hi guys, in this video I'll be talking about the best volatile stocks for intraday trading, okay? So I'll be telling you the few stocks which are best for intraday trading, okay, which are most volatile stocks, and in that volatile stocks you can do trades which are quick and you can book quick profits in those stocks, okay? It can also be done for scalping also, okay? So in this video I'll be talking about all these things, and also I'll be telling you by what basis we consider some stocks as a good volatile stocks, okay, and what are the criterias that a good volatile stocks should match. So we'll be telling all of these things in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course, okay? So the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can go inside the blogspot, the link is in the description below of this video. So there's a lot of clients who has taken our course and now they are making consistent profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, yes, now let's talk about on what basis do we consider the stocks as a best volatile stocks or a good quality stocks, okay? So when doing trading, we should always select a good quality stocks, okay? So now I'll be telling you on what basis we consider a good quality stocks. That is a stock which is having a good fundamentals. That's the first point. Any stock which has a good fundamentals are considered to be a good stocks, and the stock which give good return on investment, okay, the stock which gives good returns, okay, so they are also considered to be a good volatile stocks. And the stock with a good value, okay, the stock price which is above, like above 150 rupees or above 200, considered to be a good value. So those stock will be having a good movement so that you can trade in those kind of stocks. And high liquidity stocks are important, so which are large cap or mid cap, okay, the stocks which belongs to a large cap or a mid cap will have a high liquidity. So in that stock, if you trade, there will be a good movement in those kind of stock. But if you select small cap stocks, then you might get stuck in a trade because there will be a no movement in those kind of stocks, okay. So these are the conditions, okay. If these conditions are matching, then those are considered to be a good volatile stocks, okay. So to make it easy for you, I have selected few stocks in my list which I'll be showing you now, and which I'll be telling you they are the best volatile stocks which I have seen till today in the trading, okay. So the first stock is Adani Ports, okay. So you can see Adani Ports every day it is giving a good movement, even if it's a middle of the day or end of a trading day, or if it's starting, it will always give you a movement. So when you select a stock like this which is always giving you a movement, if you are trading with any technical strategies by using indicators, so that you'll get good signals when you're using this kind of stocks, okay. And if you check the fundamentals of this stock, it looks good, okay. It has a good beta also which is above 1.27, so that it is having a good movement, and it also has a good market capital, okay. So you can check the basic fundamentals briefly here in Zerodha. And the next stock is Axis Bank. So Axis Bank, as you guys know, it comes under the Nifty Bank, okay, indices. So it's a bank stock, and yes, it is also having a very good kind of volatility, and you can see even this stock is having a very good fundamentals also. It is giving a good returns from the past years also. So you can see how the stock performs every single day, okay. So there are stocks which performs only in the opening of a time or a closing of a market time, but some stocks it will always keep performing, even if it's in the middle of a day or an end of a day, or even if it's a starting, these stocks will always perform every time. In the market time, you will get a movement, Okay, so these are the high volatility stock what I'm talking about. And the next stock is JSW Steel. So JSW Steel comes under the Nifty Metal. Okay, it's a Nifty Metal stock. If you are asking another stock in Nifty Metal stock, I can tell Indelco is also having a same kind of movement as JSW Steel. So if you feel JSW Steel the cost is higher, then you can trade on Indelco also. It is almost around 500 now. So yes, this is how the JSW Steel fundamental looks. The returns is also very good in this stock, and also you can see how every day it gives a movement. Okay, it won't be range bounded or it won't be stuck. Okay, so these stocks what I'm showing you right now are the stock which will give almost 90% of the time gives you a good movement. It won't be range bounded or it won't be stuck. So those are the stocks which I've selected and I'm telling you guys. Okay, and the next stock is Tata Consumer Products. Even this stock is also having a very good volatility and movement. You can see this stock has never been range bounded from the time when I am seeing trade. So if you go to fundamentals here, you can see the returns of the stock is very good, and also it is having a good beta value which is good for this volatility, and you can check all of the things here, and also it has a good CAGR value of 60.41%. okay, it's a house of Tata stock, that means it comes under the Tata products. So you can see how the movement is. Okay, the movement is very good even in these stocks, and you may see the stock prices are high. Okay, the many people who are new to the stock market, they think this is a very big stock price, you can't trade on this or something like that. But no, if you select to trade a small cap stocks, which I said you in the earlier, like 100 rupees stock, or which are above which are below 100 rupees stock, you might get big quantity, but the volatility will be very less, and you can't make a trade on those kind of stock. But in this, even if you get a small quantity of stocks, you can still trade on these stocks and make a good profit, because you can see how the movement is. Okay, it doesn't move only 1 rupee or 2 rupee, it moves like 8 to 10 rupees in one single side. Okay, you can see that's why we pick good volatile stocks. Okay, and now coming to the next stock, that is Sun Pharma. So Sun Pharma is a Nifty Pharma stock, it comes under pharmacy. Even this has a very good movement and volume coming in the pharmacy sector. A lot of other stocks are actually range bounded in this kind of Nifty Pharma, which I've seen recently, but this stock will always be moving. Okay, so Sun Pharma is also very good stock. You can see the fundamentals also of this. It is pretty good. Okay, the beta value is pretty down, but no issues with that. Even though the beta value is pretty less, the stock will give you a movement. Okay, in the pharmaceutical sector, I can say Sun Pharma with this stock price will give you a good movement. There's another big stock like Divi's Lab, which is about like 4,000 rupees, or that even that will give you a good movement. But I have not selected the stock which are like above 1,000 rupees for this video. Okay, so I've selected the large caps which are like below 1,000 rupees and which are giving good movement. Okay, so to help you guys to find out, so this kind of stocks, if you trade on this kind of stocks, the volatility will be very more, and the trading opportunity what you get will be more on this kind of stock, is what I like to tell. So guys, this was the video about best volatility stocks for intraday trading. Okay, so these are the stocks which are good for intraday trading, what I mean to say, because the volatility is very much for the trading on intraday purpose. And yes, you can also do for swing trading or short term on these stocks, but particularly why I said for intraday trading is, many people they select the stock which doesn't give movement at all, like which are small cap or something like that, and people get stuck. So to avoid that, to make you guys aware of the stocks which give you a good movement, so this is just a small list. Okay, so any stock which is in a large cap, or any stock which is above 150 to 200 rupees above, they always give you a good movement, and these are almost safe stocks, I can tell. Okay, so these are the stocks which give you a good volatility for intraday trading on everyday basis. So you can check the stocks from today and let me know how you feel about the stocks in the comment section below of this video. Okay, and also if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today in my course. I'll be guiding you personally about how to pick a stock, how to make consistent profit, and 90 to 95% accurate strategies, a lot of other techniques which I'll be guiding you guys to make consistent profit. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced, so you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I will see you in the next one very soon.